Good afternoon, my name is Slade Sackman. I'm here at the MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. The Vantage series of boats is the family-oriented Boston Whalers, but still has many fishing amenities, so you can still go out and catch fish all you want. The first thing you notice when you walk in the boat is a huge space. It's a very large boat, 32 feet long, over 13,000 pounds, so it has a great displacement ride. One of the smoothest riding Boston Whalers we have in this class range. You'll notice there's a very large companion seat next to the helm seat. Both these electrically raise and lower, so it allows the pilot and the passengers to get a little higher in the boat if they deem they need to see a little better. You have very large seating in the back here. It's convertible. It flips many different ways to lounge, either facing forward or facing aft. All the boats come standard with a rear fold-up seat. It's a very large sofa-style seat, high back, can accommodate as many people as you can fit on there. Weight-wise is no problem. As you look to the starboard side of the boat, you see a console here. I call it a day galley. It does come with a live well in here and a refrigerator down low. You can actually get a grill on this if you choose to. It's a very nice feature to have. You have children who want to cook hot dogs, hamburgers, whatever. As you move forward, the helm area, command center of the boat, we have displayed a 16-inch Raymarine unit here with a very large Mercury vessel view. These are your gauges. The boat is a joystick boat powered by twin white 300 V8 Mercuries. You have your VHF. On the companion side of the boat, this is a day cabin. Great place to put things. If somebody wants to get out of the weather, get out of the sun. If the weather's really bad, they can get in there if they're not comfortable being out here. And on the other side, underneath behind the helm, is a very, very large head compartment, which can accommodate more storage and very friendly for people to use. In the bow of the boat behind me, you'll notice a tremendous amount of seating. It allows for a whole bunch of additional seating. You can sit over a dozen people in this boat extremely comfortably. Everybody will have a place to seat. And you come back through the boat, you'll notice the size of this windshield and the frame structure that's on it. It's actually integrated in part of the hardtop, so it's one cohesive unit, like a Unibond construction. So there's not any rattling or shaking, and there's no bolts or screws going into the deck of the boat. So it's all part of the boat. This boat is colored in gel coat, light blue gel coat, and we chose to do the optional under hardtop color to match the hull. Looks beautiful, it's very calm and soothing. Again, my name is Slade Sackman here at MarineMax in Fort Myers. My cell phone number is 239-229-8862. Please give me a call. I'd love to make it a showing for this boat or any of our wonderful boats. Thank you very much.